morning, everyone. Today is January 6th at 5:33. I just got home. What's going on today is because I went after school. I had to go get my car seen about. My dad had checked my oil, and I will place a image up somewhere in the view camera of a picture of what the oil looked like. So I went over to my tire shop that does the usual work for me. I did not have to pay for any of the work. He said, you know, I let these workers know what the situation was and whoever had done this because it was way too much oil put in the oil gauge. So got it fixed, got my tire pressure looked at, so I am all ready to go. I went to the store, so I thought I would share with you a haul of what I got. Give me a few seconds to get everything unloaded. Store. I got me some lunches for school. So I got the cheese and crackers, Wheat Thins original with cheese. It looks like the cheese is Monterey Jack and mild cheddar. I got some pimento spread with my crackers at home. I got this meal to take for school as well. I got me some macaroni salad that I love and adore, and some fruits to eat. I got me this really pretty salad. It has strawberries and blue cheese and some nuts and some really good vinaigrette that I'm really excited about to eat. I was going to look and see what the date said. Sell through 1/7/25. So it needs to be eaten, so I may eat that this week. Grapes. And then some soup. Chicken tortilla soup. I thought this was an interesting brand. I never heard of it. Some mushroom bisque. Some dressing. Avocado ranch. Ranch light. Some olives stuffed with garlic that I loved at my mom's house when we had our Christmas New Year celebration. Got some tomato ketchup, organic. K-cups for my coffee, because I'm going to start making my coffee again. Haha. Try to keep that as my New Year's resolution to see if I can stick to it. Julio's mild salsa that I love. I got a smaller tub because I'm like, I can't eat that big tub all in one setting. So, Colby Jack string cheese. I also found some combo Frico cheese head, cheese, mozzarella cheese, and beef salami sticks. We'll see how that is. And then some Santa Fe chips that has the seasoning, some Halo oranges, some lemons to make water with lemon, or have that. What they say to do with lemon is to put some lemon juice in some hot water and drink that in the morning, and that helps you with your immunity system, your gut. So I want to try that. Planet oatmeal, barista lovers. That's what they use at Starbucks or any coffee place in general probably uses this. That's why it says barista lover. I also got the stock cold brew coffee. I really like this brand. It's one of the few brands that I like. Sunsip root beer and Sunsip cherry cola. I really like these. And then I also got to go with lunches again, cheese and crackers with the pepper jack and Colby Jack cheeses. So there's a week's worth. And then I got vanilla latte donut stop for my K-cup. And then these two things were going to be for a chicken thing that I was going to make. Well, I went to the store today and noticed that it was out of stock. So I asked the person at the front, and she said the reason that they were sold out is Who knows? So I also got some creamy 4-cheese rice, and I thought I got another one. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I did not. Maybe I just thought I did. But I feel like I'm gonna have to go back to the store at some point, get some more things. I need to go Walmart and get a water filter. I need to change my water out. And right now, this is what I've got in the fridge. So I want to start putting the stuff into the fridge and start just organizing. Bye all. Bye everyone. Bye. Good evening everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Suzanne Strother, and please, if you will, subscribe down below, click the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video, and also comment what's your favorite season, because we're getting some winter tomorrow. It's supposed to snow 1 to 4 inches. And so far, the school hasn't decided what we're going to do, but they have said we will have school tomorrow. But I have feelings. And my feelings radar usually is 100% correct. And I feel like we're going to have no school tomorrow. So we shall see. And if I'm right, I'll put it down right here in the middle and say, just kidding. But I thought I would jump on here today and do a Amazon haul. Yes, it is school related. So, I was asleep last night, and around 4 o'clock in the morning, my carbon dioxide alarm goes off, and it's about, I don't know, and every carbon dioxide alarm is different, so I had to reread on the instructions of what each beep means. But from what I gather, the battery was dead and it just needed to be changed. But when I opened it finally and I noticed that the battery was loose, I kind of thought, you know what, I bet that's the reason. But I had broken it. So thank the Lord I had a backup that I had gotten, or we had gotten when my mom and I had gone to Walmart or something. And I was able to lift up the lid to place the battery in and attach it. And I done some research, and they said as long as it's not for so many minutes or so many far apart, you're fine. But it would be immediate if there were poisonous carbon dioxide gas in your home. It would go off immediately if you put in a new one. So thank the Lord, I put the new one in and there was nothing sounding off. So I'm okay, everything's all right. But I gotta tell you, it panicked me so bad inside that I was literally shaking, and you could see it in my hands. I was in so much shock and shaking because I was like in such a deep sleep, and I'm never like that. I'm never getting myself into like a deep sleep like that, but I was, for some odd reason, I was sleeping really good. And after that had happened, I was paranoid and terrified, and I thought, oh Lord, I didn't really pay attention to the light nor I counted, because gas is very It's an invisible gas, so you don't know it's in the air. You can't see it. It's not seeable. So I was just like, oh. And then at the end of the day today, my right eye, my contact eye together was getting so dry. It was literally like the sunshine, like the oxygen in my eye was just like this to this. So I was like, I better have some eye drops or I'm gonna be in super duper trouble and I'm not gonna be able to drive myself home because my eye was hurting so badly. I could not stand it. And my co-worker and I, we were talking and her nose was dry and I said, well, I can really stay awake because I'm sleepy or because my eye is so dry that, I don't know, it was just weird. I'm like, okay. Today has just been a weird ordeal day. I just feel like when I have weird ordeal days, something is going to happen. So, I think we're going to get snow, and I think we're going to get it big time. We're going to get it big. So, we shall see. So, I will share with you what I purchased. So, our school has to wear badges, teachers and students, and so the students have badges and they're plastic and they have lanyards. So sometimes something happens incident wise and they you know, plastic doesn't last that long, so it needs to be replaced. So to keep them from having to go all the way down to the office, I'm going to start selling these for just 50 cents. And then these are hall pass lanyards. So these are my lanyards I'm taking tomorrow if we go. And then this big, anyway, I'm just thinking if I get to stay home tomorrow, I could get so much done. I could get my sheets washed, my laundry done, my towels done. I could clean the house. My parents, thankfully, when they brought me home this past weekend, my mom was so nice and she vacuumed my entire house. So that just left me to do the dusting and, you know, just cleaning everything up. So I thought, man, if I could just stay home tomorrow, I could do that and clean house. So I had purchased some lanyards and they're all different colors. I can't really show you all the different colors because they are stuffed. So I'll just kind of show you, and I'm just going to say lanyards for $1. So they're these really simple lanyards. They come in different long. It's like a tennis shoe string. So it's thinner, it's not as wide, it's more comfortable, it's soft. So I feel like they would be more, so we shall see. So I'll be selling those to help them out. And I bought a bunch, so it'll last me the entire school year. So that's my Amazon haul, and I want to figure out how I'm going to get these to school tomorrow if we go. So I want to call it off, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Well, we are getting our first snow of the season. It's coming down pretty heavy. The school just texted to inform us that we're going to have a late start. But according to my app and the weather app of our local city, they're showing it to snow all day with a break between 12 and 1, but start up again. I just don't see how we're going to have school because it's coming down pretty good. We shall see. Good morning, everyone. It is 9:50. We had notification at about 7 or 8 o'clock saying that we were going to have a delay from the snow, and around 9:10, as I was pulling out of my garage and turning almost this corner, my coworker had just notified me that school was canceled. So I am home now, and I am going to get caught up on a lot of things. I've got laundry that I'm doing right now. I have got clothes putting up. I am organizing and just trying to get myself together so that the weekend I am free and I can do other things that I have planned. So I am going to enjoy this snow day. I had my outfit on, my Bambi outfit from H&M. There we go. And I was starting to get really hot and humid. So I'm like, okay, I need lighter clothes. So I'll go in here and kind of show you what I'm wearing. Does not match at all, so do not judge. I've got my YouTube on, other vloggers, but I have got on this Barbie light sweatshirt that I have never put on in my life. Haven't worn it in over 2 years. So I thought, good as day as I need to wear it. And of course, I've got my airy flare lounge pants on. So that is what I am wearing. I've got laundry going. I've got more laundry in the washer. I finally have cleared out some of my laundry in my kitchen, and now I am in my office. Right now, I'm kind of just going through and saying, hey, I don't think I want it anymore. So I'm making a pile and just, going through stuff and trying to get organized there. So right now, I am going through my closet. I'm trying to organize it by color coded. Trying to get that all organized, and then my purses. I'm just trying to get cleaned out. And right now, I'm watching Marnie Goldberg on YouTube. And right now, this is the update. Lots of hangers. Lots of garage sale items or Poshmark. I'm not sure about this necklace, and throw out items. Okay, everybody. It is the afternoon, and I know this does not match. It's green headband, but I had to put my hair up, and second of all, my hair is a frizz ball anyway because of this moisture that we are getting snow. But I have spent the entire morning when I found out that I was going to have a snow day and just said to myself, I'm going to go through my entire 3 closets and I'm going to try stuff on, and I am going to get rid of some things that, oh my gosh, my back is hurting. Okay, I'm going to have to sit back here a little bit. I just need to take a breather because I'm tired, my back hurts, and I'm worn out, but I was just needing a day that just was to cleaning and getting rid of stuff and decluttering. Every year I do this. It's a new beginning, a new year, and I do it just because I want to have an organized house. I just want to declutter things. I wanted to get some new possible clothes because I'm just tired of my clothes that I've got. I have worn the heck out of them. Every year I wear the same thing over and over and over and over till I'm about to the point like when you diet and you're just like, okay, I need a cheat day. I need a cheat day. I need to treat myself and just go shopping. I need to get clothes that I'm actually interested in and stop buying things that I'm like, okay, this will do. No, I need to start thinking and really questioning myself. Am I really going to wear it? Is it really worth the money? Will I wear it more than once? Because, you know, when I was cleaning out my closets, I just found things that, I'm sorry, I am just like so out of breath. Oh my gosh, I am so out of shape. Whoa. I don't want my picture to fall down. But anyway, as I was saying, I have just gotten to that point in my life where, I don't know. I just need a new me. So that new me decided to question each piece of clothing that I have ever owned and ask myself, am I really going to wear it more than once? Am I really going to be able to use this at some point? Am I really, and I was questioning myself and I was trying everything on, and there was just some things that, one, never took it out of the closet, never wore it out. Bada bing, bada boom, out the door. There was just some things that I have worn over and over. Got old, got yucky, need to go out the door. Third, style. My style is changing. I am finding out more and more that I am better at wearing suits, like jackets, and button-up shirts. Classy look. Very much like an Emily O's and Bows look. I'm past that country, gussied up look. I don't wear as much of that style anymore because I'm just kind of out of that. I also finally got rid of some LuLaRoe. 3 Carly dresses of Disney that I have just worn and worn and worn and worn over and over and over, and I wore them for picture days and wore them for first week of school, and it was just, it became a tradition. I'm like, okay, I need to start a new tradition. So I got rid of those. And what else? At some point, I am going to go through my jewelry again. I want to go through my purses. Right now, I'm about to make my bed. I need to do that. I need to grab something to eat because I am just dying. I am tired. I am worn out. And I can finally, my body's like, okay, you need to slow down. You need to eat something, because if you don't, you're going to be upset and gripey. So I think what I'm going to do now is I want to go ahead and make my bed, get that done and out of the way. I am going to eat a bite, watch some TV, and then maybe towards the afternoon, I'll find an opportunity to possibly dust and clean some more things out. So a lot going on. This weekend, I'm going to be staying home. I've got some things that I want to do. I'm going to be filming a lot. I've got editing to do. I've got some yearbooks to upload. I'm going to be filming some purse videos. I am going to be filming a 2024 recap. I am also going to be filming a pilot intro of something that I want to be starting this year. I am really kind of wanting to have not necessarily a podcast that you can listen to, like through Spotify or Apple or podcasts. It's more of a video podcast, but if you want to listen to it, you can. You don't have to be like watching me. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a lot of Disney stuff and talking about all my years of going and what I know and just tips, suggestions, sharing things, all that stuff. So let me know if you're interested about that, because I'm wondering if I shouldn't create a new YouTube area channel for that. But I'm really thinking and just considering just keeping it on the channel I've got. So let me know if you would be interested in seeing a new video channel for that. I'd like to know. Anyway, I am worn out. You can tell that all my makeup has just like gone out the door and sweated everything off because I have been ultra busy just cleaning stuff out. So let me let me just stop babbling. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is the after of my closet of where I keep all of my decor. This area up here, not so much. I'm gonna work on it possibly this weekend. But clothing wise, I have like divided everything up into like sweaters, sweatshirts, collections. You know, I try to do it color coordinated. And then over here I've got my jersey shirts from trips. And then over here I've got casual, Halloween, and then loungewear. And then stuff to put underneath your clothes to make it a little bit warmer. So I'm going to go ahead and shut the door on this. I'm going to work on the up portion at some point, but not today. It's a little messy. But I got rid of some Disney stuff that I was just kind of tired of, and got that a little bit more able to where I can visually see what I've got. I have literally, you know, I used to, you know, you can go back in my other videos and see how many tons of clothing that I had. Like from last year, I got rid of a ton. This year, look, I have my workwear. I have my t-shirt, schoolwear. I have holiday. Over here, pants. And then up here, sets that I can casually wear out. But purses, jewelry. Going to go through my purses at some point. But you can kind of see that I have made huge progress. A lot. I've done huge amounts of progress on my closet, I feel like. But I'm nowhere near done. You know, I'm going to go through my kitchen again. I want to go through my office. I want to go through my drawers. I'm just going to do a declutter again. This is an every year thing that I just do. It's a tradition. And I just find that it helps me live happier and ready for a new year. So I'm going to go make my bed, and then I'm going to eat something. Okay, I finished making my bed. Okay, pardon me, but my washer is going. But I am having my leftover Lora burrito from a Mexican restaurant called Leal's with some queso and some hot sauce. And I kept the chili chips that I had the other day, Sunday night, so I'm going to have those. And yeah.